For your information, edX.org's excellent but challenging first semester MIT quantum mechanics course for undergrad physics students, 804X, starts on September 17th, 2020. The course runs for 18 weeks. This course is free to audit. This course uses calculus and differential equations. If you're comfortable with those, you can do well in the course. The course has lectures, exercises, and weekly problem sets. Although if you audit the course for free, the weekly problem sets won't be graded. I don't know if it lets you see the solutions. Lecture notes come with the course, but the video lectures are essentially complete, so you can read the lecture notes and can keep them, but you don't need to if you watch the videos. Here's the link for the course. edX.org course, Quantum Mechanics, a first course, or I think search for 8.04. I'm not sure if I will retake the course. If I do, I am Walter Yu on edX. Before September, I will try to produce a 4 to 6 hour introductory quantum mechanics course that might help people with, who haven't been to college in a long time, or maybe are non-physics, not scientists or not engineers. I encourage you to take the course. It's excellent. You won't find a better professor. And good luck to you.